Venture Companies is a national emergency reconstruction company. We use this building here to house our airplanes. Obviously, it's an airplane hangar. So as Venture Companies grew, we needed the ability to fly out at a moment's notice to get out to an emergency if we need to. The hangar became a priority for us to have. We reached out to Olympia and their salesperson was amazing. Normally we run into an issue with the salesperson that once we buy anything that we're using for a project, once the sale has been made and we have any other problems, they kind of disappear on us. With Olympia, we never had that problem. So they stayed with us from beginning to end, I'd like to say from design to delivery. So we designed a building, reached out to their salespeople, they got back to us within the specs that we needed, and we're able to deliver that at a really amazing pace. So once we received everything from Olympia, we were very impressed with the fact that everything, literally every single thing, lined up and was able to be assembled correctly. We've had issues in the past where things don't line up, and we have such bad issues where we either have to reach back out and try to get that fixed or fix it on our own, and we didn't have that. From start to finish, it took about 20 days to erect the whole entire hangar. So we're located here at Concord-Padgett Regional Airport in Concord, North Carolina. It obviously gets a lot of wind, a lot of rain, a lot of weather. We're pretty much in a big open field. We've had zero issues with anything, leaks, structural, and matter of fact, it's insulated so well with the insulation that we have around here that you could barely hear planes when they fly by. With this building here, the hangar, it's such a priority for what we need in our business. We go out nationally on calls all the time for when hurricanes hit or floods happen, sprinkler systems may break, doesn't even matter. Whatever needs to be reconstructed, we need to be able to get out and get to those people as quickly as possible. And without this hangar, we'd have to book commercial flights and get that. Now we can just instantly, we get a phone call and we can fly out at a moment's notice. And it's pretty imperative that we have that. Because the process was so smooth with Olympia and the building went up without any problems, we would highly recommend anybody coming to use Olympia Steel for any of their aircraft hangar needs and or any sort of building that they might need.